Now at 11, the 4th annual Elizabeth Taylor Ball to End AIDS was held tonight at the Beverly Hills Hotel. Tonight's honorees were philanthropist and entrepreneurs Magic and Cookie Johnson. Eyewitness News reporter Tim Pulliam live at the hotel with more on tonight's fundraising gala and the fight against AIDS. Tim.
Yeah, Michelle, we spoke to celebrities and activists tonight here at the hotel, and the big message that they are driving home is that funding for HIV and AIDS research and prevention is still very necessary. The Elizabeth Taylor AIDS Foundation Ball brought the stars to Beverly Hills, from Samuel L. Jackson to Academy Award nominee Angela Bassett, joined by her husband, Emmy winner Courtney B. Vance, as MC and host of Thursday's ball. An AIDS fundraising gala honoring the decades of advocacy work led by NBA Hall of Famer Earvin Magic Johnson.
Since I announced 32 years ago, that's all I've been doing is I dedicated my life to not just the research, but especially in the black and brown community, educating people and making sure they had housing.
African Americans account for a higher proportion of new HIV cases, 42%, despite only making up 13% of the U.S. population, according to the latest data from CDC. And the LA County Health Department sounding the alarm. Researchers say the fastest growing population with the disease are folks age 50 and older.
We need to educate those people. We need to educate the young people because they think because people are not dying because there's medications out there that they're not afraid of it. But they still need to be afraid of it. Why do you want to be on medication your whole life?
Philanthropist and entrepreneur Cookie Johnson also honored alongside her husband. Both say stigma and lack of education is an ongoing barrier, which is why activists say funding is critical. Reauthorization for the president's emergency plan for AIDS relief expires at the end of the month. Activists claim House Republicans want to strip millions of dollars from domestic HIV programs. Out of concern, the funding indirectly supports abortions, something the Biden administration denies.
As somebody who lives with HIV, we understand the importance of funding, how we have to continue to fund this work for new technologies and new sciences, and this foundation has been one in the fight specifically for black people who have been living with HIV and AIDS.
We need to eliminate this disease. It has been here way too long. We need the funding.
And Grammy Award-winning singer Gladys Knight was among the special guests. She performed some of her hits. In Beverly Hills, Tim Pulliam, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.